I will take you to the journey of Yoga Nidra. Let us all experience it together. For this, lie down on your back in a relaxed way, hands on your side, palm facing upward. If you feel the stiffness in your back, you can bend your knees a little and can keep pillow or towel below it. Now we will relax each and every body part. Your left leg, toe, feet, heel, ankle, calf muscles, knee, hamstring muscles, thigh are getting relaxed. Your right leg, toe, feet, heel, ankle, calf muscle, knee, hamstring muscles, thigh muscles are getting relaxed. Your glute muscles and hips are getting relaxed. Your spine, lower back, middle back, upper back are getting relaxed. Your core muscles are getting relaxed. Your chest muscles are getting relaxed. Your left hand, fingers, palm, wrist, forearm, elbow, biceps, tricep, shoulder are getting relaxed. Your right hand, fingers, palm, wrist, forearm, elbow, biceps, tricep, shoulder are getting relaxed. Your neck muscles are getting relaxed. Your face muscles are getting relaxed. Your eyes are getting relaxed. Slowly, your whole body is getting relaxed. Release all the pain, stress, worries, tension, tiredness, and feel the positive energy flowing throughout your body. Be thankful to God for such a beautiful life. Be thankful for such a beautiful and lovely day. Feel the peace and happiness within yourself. Enjoy the moment of silence. Enjoy the moment of peace and harmony. Rub your hands, generate the energy. Cup your eyes, face. Now slowly turn to your side and stay there for a few seconds. Now slowly come up, slowly and gently open your eyes. Hope you all enjoy the journey of Yoga Nidra. Thank you.